This might be one of the most underrated upgrades that your home can get, and if you put it on, your partner might think it looks classy and your friends might think that you hit the jackpot, but to me, I'm giving you another reason so you can stay in the bathroom even longer. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi from the T38P team, and today I am here sitting in the throne so I can present to you the Horow Smart Toilet T38. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. You walk up to it and the lid opens for you automatically. There is no guessing where the buttons are, no waving your hands around, and there is no guessing where the sensor is. Feels like the toilet knows you, and it's clean, it's smooth, and definitely you're about to show this off to every single person who visits. Yeah, listen, the heated seat alone should count as a life upgrade because there is no more 6 a.m. jump scares from ice cold toilet. In the winter mornings, you're saved because it's like sitting down on a warm cloud, and once you feel it, there is no going back. And then there is the built-in bidet with the warm water rinse, adjustable pressure, and air dry, and it's pretty much a whole entire spa experience. And you start realizing that toilet paper was just, I guess, guesswork. No more emergency last row panic. This thing handles everything for you. A lot of smart toilets become dumb toilets when the power cuts off, but this one, it's got a backup system, so even during the blackout, you're still in business, flushing, it's all good. Now, high-end smart toilets can get ridiculous, $5,000 or more, but Horow went different direction, is the same luxury, same features, at a very affordable price. And you get the premium experience without the premium markup, and it's one of those home upgrades where actually feels worth it. And this thing genuinely changed the bathroom routine. It's not just go and leave anymore, it's like a mini reset zone. Hydrate, breathe, think, reset, whatever your routine is, it just feels better. And trust me, you will catch yourself being there a lot longer than you used to. Now, for the longest time, I thought that upgrading your toilet was just an extra purchase or a way to show off, but now that I got one, I am judging very hard all of my friends, restaurants, hotels, everywhere I go, I am judging the bathroom. It feels like everybody got a bathroom that kind of gives you that gas station vibes. Now, there is one downside that I mentioned earlier. The only catch is that you can't really go back because using a normal toilet after just feels like trading your brand new iPhone for a flip phone. And it's a full-on prehistoric downgrade, and you get spoiled pretty fast. And if you want a smart toilet that actually delivers the luxury without the crazy price tag, I think the Horow Smart Toilet, it's definitely worth the hype. So don't just upgrade your bathroom, upgrade your life, and don't let your friends try it because if they do, they will never leave. The link is in the description. Go ahead and check out more information about the Horow Smart Toilet T38. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check out the link so you can get a nice discount if you want one of these. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.